Hi guys, 200 in 1 electronic kit, circuit number 7, the electric human. Looks very similar to the pencil organ, only it looks like this time we use our finger or something as the resistor. Yeah. Okay, off we go. 10 to 78. 10. 78. 20 to 76. 20, 76. And then on to number 80. There. 76. 80. 25. 25 to 138. A variable resistor on the control dial. 25, 138. 25, 138. 26 to 35. 175. Over here. We'll use a big yellow one. Which is the terminal connections. 27 to 142. Ah, that's the meter. What should I say? 27. (28 to 77). Transistor. 28 to 77. 36 to 79. Another transistor. 55 to 81. 55 battery to 81. The blue one should do that. 55 to 81 to 143. Other side of the meter. to 139. Other side of the variable resistor. That's just a short one. $57 to $58. $57 to $58. $60 battery to 140. On-off switch. That's have to be a yellow one again. $141. The other side of the on-off switch to 19. What's that resistor there? Red one should be long enough. 141 to 19. And from 19 to number 9. And then number 9 to 176. All the way over here again. Okay. And then we need a couple of wires sticking out of here. And we've got one yellow left. And we'll do the other one with a blue. Okay. Switch, put the batteries in, switch it on. Turn the control knob till you hear a click. Adjust the control knob so the meter's at 0. No, nothing's happening. Ah, right. No, I think I got something wrong. No, I just got dry fingers. Lick them again. Ah, that's better. Yeah, obviously I got very dry fingers. So turn that down a bit further. If I squeeze hard, yes. Well, what dry old fingers you got, Grandad. I'm varying how hard I'm squeezing to make the needle move around a bit. Just a thought. Still got that bit of card. So we're using the pencil lead that we scribbled on this bit of paper. So we're changing the resistance by moving my fingers together or apart. Okay, now I got black fingers. Anyway, it works. So that's number 7, the electric human, completed. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.